Hello YouTube friends. I just wanted to share with you, I recently purchased these online from Michael's. There was a couple of discount codes that I used. These are a dupe for the Alex drawers. These I purchased for, with the two discount codes I used, were $30 each. And then I paid the I think it was $7.95 to have them shipped, because the nearest Michael's is like an hour and a half away, and then there's two toll booths on the way up there to the city that just has the closest Michael's. So I decided it was just cheaper to have these shipped. So I'm finally getting some drawers. I just have to get these put together. My current situation is this, and I have all my skincare, and then I labeled my makeup in these boxes just from subscription boxes and put labels. So I want to get everything organized. It's, as you can see, it's just one big mess. And this isn't everything. I have another box that has my palettes, and then I have another container that holds my lipsticks, liquid lip glosses, all my lip products. So I just want to get this situation under control and get it organized so I can be able to find things and be able to be happier about using the products once you get things organized. So I just wanted to briefly show you. And then I have my brushes up there, and I have them in some Mary Kay cups. I don't know if anybody remembers these from Mary Kay. And then that planter to hold my brushes, you can find those at Dollar Tree. So that is, I just wanted to share that with you, and I will make another video once I get my organizers put together, and then my skincare and my makeup into those drawers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll stay a subscriber, or if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe, and there'll be more upcoming videos. I appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.